This is a Palmary Machinery Corporation coming from Taiwan. We are the manufacturer for centerless grinder, cylindrical grinder, internal grinder, vertical grinder, and a surface grinder. Palmary was founded in 1998. So far, we have 170 persons working for Palmary. Our new facility will be done in the end of June of this year. For this exhibition, Grindtec 2016, we have two new machine models. The first one is OCD M2 series. That is a CNC cylindrical grinder with a swivel wheel head. V-axis, the minimum setting is 0.001 degrees. CNC controller is a FANUC panel I. Regarding to another machine, that is a CNC internal grinder for bearing, inner diameter grinding, and inner groove grinding. Machine with magnetic work head for better clamping. Also machined with the centerless support device for quick loading.